Deep in the Congo rainforest, locals have whispered about a serpent so massive it could swallow a human whole. Some say it's 100 feet long, longer than a city bus. But is it real? Or just a legend? This is the story of the Congo's giant snake, a cryptid that has haunted the jungles for generations. A creature is said to live near the Congo River, striking fear into villagers who claim to have seen it slithering through the water or across the dense jungle floor. They speak of glowing eyes at night and scales as thick as armor plates, making it nearly invincible. Local legends tell of it ambushing large animals, sometimes even small boats, dragging them beneath the murky water. The stories are so persistent and detailed that they paint a terrifying picture of a monster lurking just beyond the edge of civilization. Imagine being in the heart of the jungle, hearing a strange rustling in the undergrowth, and wondering if it's this colossal beast. The fear is palpable, passed down from one generation to the next, keeping people wary of certain parts of the river, especially after dark. Reports of giant snakes in this region go back decades. In the 1950s, explorers and locals reported seeing massive creatures near remote rivers. A Belgian helicopter pilot flying over the Katanga region claimed he saw a snake so gigantic he initially mistook it for a fallen tree trunk. He said he circled around to get a better look, and the creature reared its head, revealing a jaw wide enough to swallow a person. He estimated its length to be around 50 feet, but others who claim to have seen it swear it's even bigger. Some say the sightings increased after the discovery of giant snake tracks along the riverbank's tracks so wide that no known snake could possibly leave them. The evidence is patchy, often relying on first-hand accounts from remote areas, making it difficult to verify. But the consistency of these reports, separated by years and miles, is what keeps the mystery alive. So, could it be real? Scientists are, understandably, skeptical. The largest known snakes today, like the green anaconda or the reticulated python, can reach impressive lengths of 20 to 30 feet. That's huge, but it's nowhere near the fabled 100 feet. The square-cube law in biology presents a major challenge. As an animal gets longer, its volume and weight increase exponentially. A 100-foot snake would be so incredibly heavy that moving on land would be almost impossible. However, the locals insist there's something out there that science has not yet documented. Some theories suggest it could be a surviving prehistoric species, a relic from a bygone era. The most famous candidate is the titanoboa, a massive snake that lived millions of years ago and could grow up to 42 feet long. While still not 100 feet, the idea of a surviving prehistoric giant is a tantalizing one. Could a creature like that have survived, hidden away in one of the world's most remote and unexplored jungles? Over the years, the story has exploded online, becoming a staple of cryptid lore. Videos, articles, and documentaries all feature the Congo giant snake. You've probably seen the clickbait headlines or grainy photos that pop up every now and then. But almost all the so-called evidence is anecdotal or easily debunked. There are no verified photos, no DNA samples, and no bodies living or dead. Yet the legend persists, capturing the imagination of adventurers, cryptozoologists, and mystery seekers worldwide. It taps into our primal fear of the unknown, the idea that deep within the darkest corners of our world, monsters still exist. The story has become a modern myth, fueled by the internet and our fascination with what might be hiding just out of sight. So, is the 100-foot Congo snake a real living creature, or is it just a powerful myth passed down through generations, amplified by modern technology? Maybe it's an exaggeration of real encounters with unusually large pythons. Or perhaps, just maybe, something truly enormous is still slithering through the Congo. One day, someone might finally find out the truth. Until then, the jungle keeps its secrets and its massive, slithering mysteries. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more unexplained mysteries.